I just don't understand how, when a judge lets you off the mat, and I did let you off the mat, I mean, I told you not to lie to me, and you lied under oath. I get the whole addiction thing. We all get that. Every one of us get that. I don't understand how, when I was talking to you, and I knew you were lying, and you kept assuring me you weren't lying, and you testified under oath. Okay. What are we doing on this one?
Okay, well, it's number 5 and number 7 are duplicates. They're the exact same thing, same date and time. But he was pleading guilty to the violations. That's a combination of positive for alcohol and for missober tests.
If you plead guilty, so I'll just dismiss count 7. Is that fair?
That's fine.
So he's going to plead to 1 through 6 and 8 through 12.
Yes.
If you plead guilty here, sir, your probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated for up to 93 days. Do you understand that? I can't hear you.
Search.
But did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights form here today?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights. And there will not be a hearing. Do you understand that? I got to keep your voice up for me, sir. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, sir.
You got to keep your voice up for me. You understand everything I've said? As to count 1 that you failed. Just give me 1 second. Failed to submit to 7 a.m. PPT on December 12th of 25. How do you plead?
Yes, sir.
And that's on the sober link, and that was on December 12th, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you fail to do that?
Yes, sir.
Count 2 that you submitted a drug test through a sober link on December 13th with positive results. So that would be failing to refrain from consuming alcohol. How do you plead? Did you fail to refrain from consuming alcohol on the 13th?
Yes, sir.
Count 3 that you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol, testing positive again on December 14th. How do you plead? Did you consume alcohol, say again, on that date?
It was in 72 hours.
I didn't ask you that. Did you test positive for that and consume alcohol on the 14th?
Positive, yes.
Count 4 to the charge of failed to refrain from consuming alcohol, submitting to a breath test with positive results on December 15th. How do you plead?
Guilty.
You test positive that date.
Yes.
Count 5 that you failed to submit to a 7 a.m. PBT on sober link on December 18th. How do you plead?
Yes.
I need Emily in here on this one. Count 6 that you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol, having a positive result on December 16th. How do you plead?
Yes.
Count 8 that you failed to submit to a PBT on December 18th. How do you plead?
Yes.
Count 9 that did you fail to do that? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Count 9 that you failed to submit to a 7 a.m. PBT on December 20. How do you plead?
Yes.
Fail to do that?
Yes, sir.
Count 10 that you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol, testing positive on December 20. How do you plead? Fail to do that?
Yes, sir.
Count 11, you failed to submit to 7 a.m. PBT on server link on December 21. How do you plead?
Yes.
Fail to do that? Count 12, you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol, testing positive for alcohol on those dates in time. That date, December 21, at 9:04, 9:18, 9:48, October 18, October 48. I'm sorry, 10:48, 11:31, and then missed on